In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view archived tasks. Quick and easy guide. If you manage multiple projects or just need to revisit completed work, being able to quickly surface archived items in ClickUp can save a lot of time and keep your workflow tidy. Start by heading to the ClickUp website and logging into your workspace. On the homepage, click the Login button and enter your credentials. If your account is connected to Google, you can choose Sign In with Google to skip typing your email and password. Select the correct Google account in the pop-up, and you'll land right in your workspace. Once you're in, go straight to the Universal Search at the top of the screen. It's prominently placed so you can't miss it. If you like keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl+K to open Search instantly. This is the fastest way to find anything across your spaces, folders, lists, and tasks. In the search panel, click All on the left to make sure you're searching across everything. This ensures your results aren't limited to a single area. Now look over to the right for the filter control. It appears as 3 small lines and resembles an upside-down triangle. Click that to open your filtering options. Here, you'll see a specific option labeled Archived. Select Archived to narrow your search so it only shows items that have been archived. This filter is powerful because it strips away all the noise and gives you a clean, focused view of completed and set-aside work. It's perfect for pulling details from past projects, confirming what's been delivered, or reviewing earlier decisions. With the filter applied, choose the Tasks view so you're only seeing task results. Your archived tasks will appear at the top, clearly marked so you know exactly what you're looking at. Click any task to open it and review its details, comments, attachments, and activity history. This is especially handy when you need context from a closed project or want to replicate a successful approach. That's really all there is to it. Log in, open search, set the scope to all, apply the archived filter, switch to tasks, and then review what you need. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. And just like that, you not only know how to view archived tasks in ClickUp, but you'll be comfortable managing them as part of your regular workflow. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to dig into your archive. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!